Hello dear students, I am Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. I hope you all are enjoying online classes. So dear students, today I am going to explain the topic that is more operation on a document. And dear student, this is the part 4 of chapter 7. If you have not watched part 1, part 2 and part 3, then you must watch. Okay, so let's start. Here are some other important operation in MS Word. Look at the table. Okay, so in this section we will learn about how to save a document and how to open a saved document. So dear students, there are two methods to save a document in MS Word. First method is just you have to click on the file tab, and then after you have to click on the save option, and then after a dialog box will be open. Just you have to type your file name, and then after you have to click on the save button. And the second method is using the quick access toolbar, you can save your document. So you will see students at the left side of the title bar, there will be a quick access toolbar. There you have to select save button, and then after a dialog box will be appear. Just you have to type your file name, and then after click on the save option. And you can also use the key combination to save a document. Ctrl plus S. Ctrl plus S is the key combination to save a document. Next one is opening a saved document. So dear students, if you want to open a saved document, then just you have to click on the file tab, and then after you have to click on the open option. In the open pane, select the desired location from where the file is to be opened, and then after click on the open option. You can also use the shortcut key combination, that is Ctrl plus O. When you will when you will press Ctrl plus O, then the open dialog box will be appear. You have to select your file, and then after click on the open option. Okay. Now dear students, here you can see keyboard shortcut. To delete one word left of the cursor, just you have to press Ctrl plus backspace key. And if you want to delete one word right of the cursor, then you have to press Ctrl plus delete key. Once again listen it carefully. If you want to delete a word left of the cursor, suppose that this is your cursor and you want to delete word left of the cursor, then you have to press Ctrl plus backspace key. And if you want to delete one word right of the cursor, then you have to press Ctrl plus delete. Okay students, These are the shortcut key combination to delete left word and right word. Now come to the next page. In the next page, that is page number 77, the topic is undo and redo command. Dear students, the undo command is used to reverse the effect of the last command. For example, you increase the font size of a word, but right after doing it, you found the previous font size was perfect. Suppose that आपने font size को increase कर दिया, लेकिन जब आप टाइपिंग करते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि जो प्रीवियस फॉन्ट साइज़ था वो बेटर था, प्रीवियस फॉन्ट साइज वाज परफेक्ट, देयरफॉर यू वांट टू गो बैक इन द प्रीवियस साइज़। तो इसलिए आप जो है फिर से आप प्रीवियस फॉन्ट साइज में जाना चाहते हैं। सो इन दिस सिचुएशन you can use undo command. To use the undo command, there are two methods to use undo command. Just click on the undo button that is present on the quick access toolbar, or you can press Ctrl plus Z. Okay, Ctrl plus Z. This is the shortcut key combination to undo. It means it brings you one step back. Okay, now next one is redo. Dear students, redo command is used to reverse the undo action. redo command क्या करता है, आपके undo action को reverse कर लेता है। ठीक है, for example, you deleted a block of text from the document and then use the undo command. The deleted text reappear at its original place, but you do not find it suitable now. Instead of deleting the text, you can use the redo command. It will reverse the undo action. To use the redo command, just you have to click on the redo button that is present on the quick access toolbar, or you can press Ctrl plus Y key combination. It will also help you. This is the shortcut key combination, Ctrl plus Y. Okay, so dear students, all the shortcut keys you must be learn. This is the example of undo and redo command. You can see figure number 7.12. Okay, in the info box you can see the text that is copied or deleted gets automatically stored in the Windows temporary storage area called clipboard. Undo, redo, copy, cut, paste and delete. Now the next topic is printing a document. Dear students, after the completion of your presentation, you can print your document. If you want to take a print on a piece of paper, so you have to follow some steps. Just step 1 is click on the file tab, and then step 2 is click on the print option in the drop down list, and then step 3 the print screen appear. You can see the print preview screen on the right side, and in the last drop down list you can define the number of document pages to be printed per sheet. By default, 1 page per sheet option is selected. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट जो होता है आपका 1 पेज पर शीट जो है आपका सिलेक्ट होता है. So using these steps you can print your document. Just you have to click on the file tab, and then after you have to click on the print option from the drop down list, and then after you have to specify the number of copies and then click on the print option. Okay. Here you can see this figure. Okay, this is the drop down menu. Just you have to click on the print option, and then after here you have to specify the number of copies. Okay, and then you have to click on the print option. Now next one is exiting Word. How to exit from Word? Exit Word means closing the Word application. To exit Word, click on the close button present at the top right corner of the title bar. Dear students, आप टाइटल बार के टॉप राइट कॉर्नर में देखेंगे आपको 3 ऑप्शन वहाँ पे दिखाई देगा. ठीक है, इस तरह से. दिस वन इज़ मिनिमाइज बटन, and this is maximize, and this one is close button. So here you have to click on the close option to close your document. Okay, or you can also click on the file tab and select the close option. आप फाइल टैब के माध्यम से भी अपने डॉक्यूमेंट को क्लोज कर सकते हैं. And in the keyboard shortcut, here you can see some shortcut keys. First is Ctrl plus P. Dear students, Ctrl plus P key combination is used to directly open the print dialog box, and Alt plus F4 key combination is used to exit any application, any software. So now dear students, the chapter has gone over. So in the next video I will explain the exercise of chapter 7. So till then students, goodbye and thank you for watching my videos. Once again, bye bye students, have a good day.